Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to enable the taskbar icon on the Telegram app on your PC, especially after the latest update where some settings may have shifted around a bit. If you've noticed that Telegram is running but not showing up on your taskbar, don't worry, it's an easy fix and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu. Click on those lines to open up the sidebar. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you into Telegram's main configuration area where you can customize how the app behaves. Once you're inside Settings, keep scrolling until you find the Advanced option. Click on Advanced to access more detailed controls and features. Now, inside the Advanced section, look for an option called Show Taskbar Icon. When you find it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you enable this option, Telegram should immediately appear on your taskbar. This is really useful if you want quicker access to the app or if you like to keep track of notifications more easily while working on your PC.